In our kindergarten number talk, we are looking at 10 frames. The students are telling the teacher what they see and how they see it on the board. The teacher uses strategies from number talks to help build mental math and computation. Students turn and talk to a partner and discuss their thinking. When students are ready to share with the class, they let their teachers know by placing one thumb close to their chest. During this session, we are using both 10 frames and dots to help students quickly identify the number of items in a small set without counting.
All right, guys, I want you to look up here at the 10 frame. Think about what you see, and then I want you to turn and talk to your neighbor about what you see on this 10 frame and how you see it. Okay? Remember to go ahead and turn and talk to your neighbor. You're turning and talking to your neighbor. And I'm listening to y'all's conversation.
I see 9. I see 7. And I see 3 missing. And the dots, they are in 10 frame. And 4 plus 3 equals 7.
Okay, I'm counting 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm looking to see who's ready. Your thumb is close to your chest, and I know that I'm ready to call on you, and you're ready for me to call on you. Okay? I won't call on you if I don't see your thumb. I know you're ready if I see your thumb close to your chest, and that's how you're ready to share. Let's see. Aiden, can you help me out? Tell me what you see, what you notice about this 10 frame.
I counted 7 dots.
Okay. So, it is too big. So you said you saw 7 dots. Let's see who else can share. Chase.
It's odd man.
Okay. It's an odd man out. And how do you know it's odd?
Because there's 2 partners right there, and 2 partners right there, and 2 partners right there, but there's no more.
Okay. So I'm circling my 2 partners. And then does this one have a partner?
No.
Is that how you know it's odd?
Yes.
Okay. Who else can tell me something else about the 10 frame? Jonah.
I counted 4 at the top and 3 at the bottom, and I counted 7.
Okay. Did you guys?
Like 2 on, there's 1 and 2, and then 1 on the bottom,
Okay.
and then there's 4.
Okay, so how did you count on to find that there were 7?
I just knew that, I just saw that there was 4 on the top and 3 on the bottom, and I knew that 4 plus 4 was 8.
Okay.
So I took 1 out, and then I knew 7.
Okay, so what I heard you say was 4 plus 4 equals 8. Does anyone know what 4 plus 4 is, what that is?
8.
It is 8, but it's what?
A number sentence.
It is a number sentence. We have our equation. These are doubles. These are doubles. 4 plus 4 are doubles. It's the same number for both addends. So we have 4 plus 4 equals 8, and then she said 8 minus 1 equals what?
7.
So the strategy that Lexi used was doubles minus 1. When you minus something, what operation are you using?
Double.
Ava Claire, do you know? If you look at this minus sign,
Subtraction.
you are using subtraction.
Yeah.
Out is an equation for 3 groups of 2 plus 1 more. I know you're ready because I see your thumb close to your chest. Leia, help me out. What would my equation be?
6 plus 1
Okay, that's one way to
equals
do
7.
it. 6 plus 1 equals 7. What's another way if we wanted to include our 3 groups? Ava Claire.
2 plus 2 plus 2 and 1 more equals 7.
Good.
In our first grade class, the students participate in number talks daily by using mental math strategies that call for students to apply what they know about the addition and subtraction of numbers using place value, property of operations, and/or the relationship between addition and subtraction. Students are given a specific problem to work out mentally. The students provide possible solutions and then defend the solutions by explaining their thinking to others. After several strategies are explained, the students will then discuss which strategy was the most efficient, or the strategy that they best understood.
Addison.
88.
88.
64. 65. 61. 79. 62. 71.
Any other solutions? All right. Who was that?
64.
64. All right. Tell me your strategy.
I decomposed 67 and 60 and 7.
Okay. What did you do with 131? Did you leave it in standard form? Okay. Okay.
And 131 subtracted by 7 is 124.
Okay. And you still have a minus 60 or so, 60 to take away.
And I decomposed 124, 124.
To 120 and 4? Okay.
No, 124.
Okay. Okay.
And 100 subtracted by 60 is 40.
Okay.
And 40 plus 24 is 64.
Okay. Who would like to defend strategy you thought was the most efficient or made the most sense to you?
I think it's going to be mine though.
And why?
Yeah, I think it's going to be mine. Because it's quick to me. And I think Olivia, I think it's Jason and 71
Total was 64. Remember, the strategy that is the most efficient for you is the one that makes the most sense to you also. So if you thought this was the most efficient strategy, remember, I might not think so. So it all depends on what makes sense to you. All right, guys? Okay. We're going to continue practicing these strategies tomorrow, okay?